Fine, let us start solving problem number 11. Right, it is a simplification problem. Let us go with this. Right, so they have given 2 by 7 of, open a bracket, 2 plus, then again bracket 2 into 11 plus 4 minus 2. There is a bar, right? Then this, right? We need to work on this. See, to start working on this, first of all, you should know this BODMAS rule. They have given one more bar that is called as vinculum. Okay, vinculum. So before working with the bracket, you should work with the vinculum. Let us go with that. That the steps will become like this. The first step, this is going to be 2 plus, in a bracket, 2, 11. So 4 minus 2 you need to do. This you need to do. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 2, right? Then, right? Then you have to complete this. The next step is 2 by 7 of, right? Next is 2 plus, right? Open a bracket here, right? 2 into 11 plus 2 is 13, correct? The next step is 2 by 7 of, right? 2 plus 13 2 is 26, right? The next step is 2 by 7, half is nothing but into, so 26 plus 2, 28. The answer will become what now? So 7 ones are 7, 4s are 4 2s are 4 into 2, that is nothing but 4 2s are 8. 8 is the answer for this. Okay, fine.